A nuclear plant test has been issued for the entire state of Georgia, including all counties, effective until 12:45 p.m.
Boring! Yeah. If you want to see your faithful,
he's such a couch potato.
Nuclear power plant test. The Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency is conducting a nuclear power plant warning test in conjunction with the Alvin W. Vogtle Electric Generating Plant and the Edwin I. Hatch Nuclear Power Plant. This test is conducted every 3 months quarterly. During this test, people will know what to do in case of a general emergency. During general emergencies, people will evacuate with credit cards, baby formula, checkbooks, and other related stuff, and also will leave a towel to let officials know about the situation. Once again, this is only a test of the nuclear power plant warning alarm system. We now return to regular programming. Thank you for participating in this test.